Looking to make your kitchen smarter and more efficient? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're exploring the top 26 best kitchen gadgets available on Amazon. From time-saving tools to innovative devices that will make cooking easier and more fun, these gadgets are perfect for anyone who loves to cook or just wants to upgrade their kitchen. Stay tuned as we reveal these must-have gadgets that will totally change the way you cook. The Villa Cuce multifunction stainless steel egg slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for any egg lover. Crafted with durable stainless steel wires, it offers both a slice and wedge mode, making it perfect for preparing hard-boiled eggs for salads, sandwiches, or appetizers. The non-slip mat ensures stability while in use, and its dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning effortless. Compact, easy to use, and with a sleek silver design, this egg cutter is a convenient addition to your kitchen, and you can even bundle it with other Villa Cuce slicers for added versatility. The Priority Chef Large Potato Ricer is a game-changing tool for anyone who loves smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this ricer features a large, deep basket with a 15 oz capacity, allowing you to prepare mashed potatoes quickly with finer results. The cushioned, long handles provide easy leverage, making mashing effortless without tiring your arms. Beyond potatoes, this versatile tool can handle other veggies like carrots, yams, and even baby food. Easy to clean with its non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe design, the Priority Chef Ricer is a must-have in every kitchen for perfect mashed potatoes every time. The Fun-to-Fun 5-in-1 adjustable mandolin slicer is the ultimate kitchen tool for quick and precise slicing, dicing, and julienning. With its sharp, durable stainless steel blades and a convenient dial for adjusting thickness from 0.1 to 10 mm, it allows you to prepare vegetables and fruits with ease. The slicer features a large, safe hand guard, ensuring you can cut without worrying about your fingers. Its ergonomic handle and non-slip feet provide stability and comfort, while its foldable design makes it easy to store, saving precious kitchen space. Easy to clean and built for efficiency, this mandolin slicer is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their food prep game. The ANSI vintage glass jar with lid is a charming and practical addition to any kitchen. Made from premium food-grade thick glass, this jar features a bamboo lid with a silicone sealing ring for an airtight, moisture-resistant environment that keeps your food fresh. With a capacity of 23.7 oz, it's perfect for storing coffee, tea, sugar, flour, or even snacks like cookies and candy. Its vintage sunflower embossed design adds a decorative touch to your kitchen or pantry, making it an ideal gift or festive decoration. Versatile and stylish, this jar combines functionality and beauty in one. The Venata large mason jars with airtight lids are perfect for anyone looking to organize their kitchen or pantry in style. Made from premium food-grade glass, these 74 oz wide-mouth jars are equipped with stainless steel clamps and silicone gaskets, ensuring an airtight, leak-proof seal that keeps your food fresh and dry. Whether you're storing flour, sugar, pasta, beans, or using them for canning, the extra-large capacity and wide opening make access and cleaning easy. With a sleek square design and clear glass, they provide both functionality and elegance. This set of 3 jars makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any home cook or organizer. The GMOM oil dispenser set is a must-have for any organized kitchen. This set includes 4 17 oz glass oil bottles with upgraded flip-top spouts for easy pouring and precise control over the amount of oil dispensed. The spouts seal tightly when not in use, keeping everything fresh and clean. With 4 pre-printed labels and 4 blank labels, you can easily organize and identify your oils, vinegars, and sauces. The wide-open funnel makes filling the bottles a breeze, and the non-drip spouts ensure no mess on your countertops. Perfect for a variety of liquids like olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and dressings, this set is a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen. The Meslici vacuum sealer machine offers a powerful and efficient way to store food and extend its shelf life. With a suction power of 85 kPa and 120 W, this automatic food sealer can quickly vacuum seal both dry and moist foods with the press of a button. It features a built-in cutter for easy bag customization and a storage container for bag rolls. Plus, it includes 2 rolls of vacuum bags and 5 pre-cut bags to get you started. The upgraded heat sealing strip ensures secure and tight seals, keeping your food fresh for longer. Its user-friendly design, along with a removable drip tray for easy cleaning, makes it an essential kitchen tool. The machine also comes with a 5-year warranty and excellent customer support. The Orocomb vegetable chopper onion cutter is a versatile 12-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to make food prep easier and faster. It features 8 stainless steel blades, including slicing, dicing, shredding, and even a crinkle cutter, all of which are rust-resistant and easy to replace. The included drain basket and comfortable handle provide convenience, while the 1.7L collection tray keeps your countertop tidy. Perfect for a wide range of ingredients such as tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers, this chopper will save you time and effort in the kitchen. It's a great gift for cooking enthusiasts or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. The Joseph Elevate Carousel Nylon Kitchen Utensil Set is a 6-piece collection designed for convenience and cleanliness in the kitchen. The set includes a solid spoon, slotted spoon, ladle, slotted turner, flexible turner, and tongs, all made from heat-resistant nylon that is safe up to 392 DGF. The utensils feature weighted handles with integrated tool rests to keep the heads from touching the countertop, improving hygiene and reducing mess. The rotating carousel stand allows for smooth selection of utensils, and its non-slip base ensures stability. This set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and efficient, perfect for those who want an organized and practical kitchen setup. The Presto Flip Belgian waffle maker is a must-have for breakfast lovers, designed to create extra thick, fluffy waffles with ease. Its innovative flip feature ensures even batter distribution, resulting in perfectly crispy exteriors and soft, airy interiors. The sleek stainless steel design, cool touch handles, and non-stick surface make it both stylish and safe to use. An indicator light signals when it's ready, while the compact design allows for easy storage. With effortless cleanup and a user-friendly design, this waffle maker is perfect for creating delicious homemade waffles anytime. The Ux Bamboo In-Drawer Knife Block is a sleek and practical solution for organizing kitchen knives while keeping countertops clutter-free. Designed to hold up to 16 knives and a sharpener, this bamboo organizer features a non-slot inclined slot layout for easy access and blade protection. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it resists cracks and scratches, ensuring long-lasting use. The removable, washable slots allow for effortless cleaning, promoting hygiene in the kitchen. Perfect for home chefs, this stylish and functional knife holder makes an excellent gift for cooking enthusiasts and families. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen essential for smoothies, shakes, and food prep. Featuring a 700-watt motor with pulse technology, it effortlessly blends whole fruits, veggies, and frozen ingredients, extracting maximum nutrients. Designed for convenience, it includes two 16-ounce cups with spout lids, allowing you to blend and take your drink on the go. Its compact size fits any countertop, while dishwasher-safe BPA-free parts ensure easy cleaning. Whether for quick breakfasts or post-workout shakes, this portable blender is a perfect companion for a busy lifestyle. The LifeWit Stackable Water Bottle Organizer is a practical solution for keeping your kitchen, pantry, or fridge tidy. Designed to hold up to 16 bottles, this stackable storage set maximizes space while ensuring easy access. Made from durable plastic, it keeps bottles, tumblers, and travel mugs securely in place, preventing them from rolling around. Its versatile design fits perfectly in cabinets, countertops, or even wine cellars, making it ideal for homes, apartments, or RVs. With its space-efficient and organized structure, this bottle holder is a must-have for clutter-free storage. The SameTech stainless steel pineapple peeler, corer, and slicer is a must-have tool for effortlessly preparing fresh pineapple in seconds. Designed for high efficiency, it peels, cores, and slices with ease, creating perfectly shaped rings while preserving the shell for use as a serving bowl. The detachable wedger allows for quick, made from durable stainless steel with a comfortable plastic handle. This tool is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making pineapple preparations simple and mess. The Sitley electric lunchbox is a convenient food heater designed for work, travel, and on-the-go meals. With an 80W fast heating system, it warms food in 20 to 40 minutes, ensuring hot and fresh meals anytime. It includes two 1.5-liter stainless steel containers, making it easy to swap and clean. Made from food-grade materials, it's safe and leak-resistant, ideal for use in cars, trucks, or the office. The quiet, odor-free heating process adds to its convenience. The package comes with an insulation bag, power cords, utensils, and cleaning brushes for a complete portable meal solution. The 11Y Yao 20 LOG grain dispenser is a convenient and space-saving storage solution for various grains, beans, and cereals. Designed with a 360 DG rotating function, it allows easy access to 6 separate compartments, each with a one-click dispensing button. The airtight sealed lid keeps food fresh by preventing moisture and dust. Made from food-grade, high-temperature resistant materials, it ensures safe storage. The transparent design helps monitor the quantity for timely refills, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The Sensart non-stick ceramic frying pan offers a healthy and convenient cooking experience with its natural ceramic, toxin-free design. Its super non-stick surface allows for effortless food release with minimal oil, enhancing flavors while making cleanup easy. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, this durable pan heats quickly and evenly, The heat-resistant, wood-grain-style handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the tempered glass lid prevents splashes. With its sleek design and easy maintenance, this skillet is a perfect addition to any kitchen. The Fontexi 3-in-1 Watermelon Fork Slicer Cutter is a versatile and fun kitchen tool that makes enjoying watermelon effortless. With a built-in fork, slicer, and popsicle cutter, it allows for easy cutting and serving while minimizing mess. Made from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, it is safe, rust-resistant, and comfortable to use. Whether preparing fruit salad or simply slicing watermelon, this tool is a practical and entertaining addition to any kitchen. The upgraded stainless steel jar opener by Mo Yuanb is a must-have kitchen tool designed to make opening stubborn jars effortless. Ideal for seniors, those with weak hands or arthritis, this under-cabinet jar opener securely grips lids from 1 to 5 inches, ensuring easy access to food and beverages. Made of durable stainless steel, it resists rust and wear, offering long-lasting reliability. Its space-saving under-counter design keeps it conveniently accessible without cluttering your kitchen. Easy to install with included adhesives and screws, this one-handed jar opener is a practical and thoughtful addition to any home. The Fancy Pants Classic is a stylish and practical solution for serving and transporting food in disposable foil pans. Made in the USA, this durable, stackable food tray enhances presentation while keeping meals secure during travel. Simply place a standard half-size aluminum pan inside, snap on the clear lid, and enjoy a mess-free serving experience. Ideal for potlucks, tailgates, BBQs, and parties. It includes a reusable serving spoon for added convenience. The top-rack dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleaning, making it a must-have for home cooks and entertainers alike. The BB Stars Batter Dispenser is a convenient and mess-free solution for baking cupcakes, pancakes, waffles, and more. Designed to store and dispense batter with precision, it allows for effortless portion control with a simple squeeze of the handle. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, this durable and lightweight dispenser ensures safe use and easy cleaning. Its leak-resistant design keeps hands and countertops tidy, making baking more enjoyable. Ideal for home bakers, it simplifies the process of creating perfectly shaped treats every time. The Maestri House 4-in-1 Electric Milk Frother is a versatile and powerful addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With a 600W motor, it quickly heats and froths milk, creating barista-quality foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. Its 4 modes, hot froth, cold froth, hot milk, and hot chocolate, offer flexibility for various beverages. Designed for convenience, it features a detachable base, non-stick interior, and dishwasher-safe components for effortless cleaning. With customizable capacities and intuitive smart touch controls, this frother elevates your home coffee experience with ease. The Liberi Portable Electric Burr Coffee Grinder is a must-have for coffee lovers on the go. With 38 adjustable grind settings, it delivers precise grinding for espresso, pour-over, French press, and cold brew. Designed for travel, camping, and office use, this compact and rechargeable grinder ensures fresh coffee anywhere. The stainless steel burr mill provides consistent results, enhancing flavor extraction. A smart touch button and LED battery indicator make operation effortless, while its cordless design offers ultimate convenience. Enjoy barista-quality coffee anytime with this versatile and portable grinder. The Minanov Electric Egg Cooker is a compact and efficient kitchen gadget for effortlessly preparing soft-boiled, hard-boiled steamed eggs and onsen tamago. With a one-tick operation, auto shut-off, and beep alarm, it ensures perfect results every time. Designed for small kitchens, dorms, and camping, this lightweight egg maker is easy to store and transport. It saves time and energy compared to stovetop boiling, while offering easy cleanup with a simple wipe down. Upgrade your breakfast routine with this smart, space-saving egg cooker. The Camry waterproof commercial food scale is designed for durability and precise measurements, making it perfect for use in seafood markets, meat stores, and produce stands. It features a waterproof design, allowing it to function even when fully submerged in water. With high-precision sensors, the scale provides accurate readings and can handle a wide range of items. The dual LCD displays show weight, unit price, and total price, making it easy for both sellers and customers to read. It also comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts for an extended period, ideal for commercial use. The Monkey Business Chill Bill Refrigerator Deodorizer is a clever and functional kitchen gadget designed to keep your fridge fresh. Simply fill it with baking soda and place it in your fridge or freezer to reduce unpleasant odors. This cute and durable container helps maintain a fresher environment without needing additional fresheners. Made from food-grade plastic and silicone, it is both durable and safe for use. With its charming design, it's perfect for adding a fun touch to your kitchen while effectively keeping your fridge smelling fresh. It also makes a thoughtful gift for kitchen enthusiasts.